Assalamualaikum everyone. Hope you all are well. This is Shahid. Today I would like to share an open secret about MS Office softwares like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. There are a lot of people who use the cracked version of the softwares. When I was a crack user, unfortunately some malware attacked my PC and I lost all of my data. If you want to get genuine version of this Office softwares and without losing any of your valuable data, please watch this video first to last. So let's proceed. Before get started, I would like to show that I don't have any Office softwares installed yet. First, open your internet browser and search Office Customization Tool. Open, add another tab and search Office Deployment Tool. And again, search Office Deployment Tool 2024 because we will install the updated version of Office softwares. Now go to the first tab, and if your PC is of 32-bit, select that. I'll go with 64-bit. Now select products. In order to get the updated version, select Professional Plus 2024. No need to change any of this. Select which app you want to install. I will go through PowerPoint, Word, Excel, and OneDrive. Hit next. Select a language here, English. Next, go to license and activation. Make sure that KMS is marked. Now your work is done here. Now export the second work. Hit OK. Pick the accept option. Remember, do not change the name here. Export it. Now go to the second tab and download the deployment tool. The third tab will be needed at the final step of the installation. Open the download folder, mark and copy this to file. Go to your C drive, create a new folder and rename it Office 2024 and paste here. Right click on the deployment tool, run as administrator, give permissions, accept and continue. Set the same location of the folder here. You'll find a setup option, but do not click on it. We will install it by command prompt. Tap simply Windows plus R and type CMD to open command prompt. Otherwise, you have to search by command prompt. Click on the run as administrator and give permission. Here type cd space. Now you have to copy your Office 2024 folders directory and paste here. Hit enter. Now you are in that folder. Now you have to write the installation command here. In this final stage, open the third tab on your browser. Scroll down here and click. Now you can simply copy the prompt, clicking here, paste and enter. Now wait. The Office softwares are downloading automatically. Make sure you have a strong internet connection to download it fast. When it's done, close the window, exit and enter. Now see? Congratulations! you have successfully installed Office 2024 softwares. Now we can use as you want. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.